Hi you guys. Well, if you just finished watching my IKEA stair remodel hack and you're thinking about doing your own stairs, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to pull the carpet. So this is an old video that I had, or I should say it's the first video that I made of me pulling the carpet. I didn't know I was going to use IKEA at the time. So I thought I'd share this with you and show you exactly what I did to pull the carpet out of my stairs. If you haven't seen my IKEA stair hack YouTube video, go ahead and click on the upper right hand corner there and it'll take you there. If you want to see all my stair remodel videos, click here on the upper right. Anyway, like I said, if you're considering remodeling your stairs, the first thing you're going to have to do is pull the carpet, and here's my old video. I thought I'd share it with you again. Hi you guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. Today we're going to talk about carpet and removing carpet from your stairs. I've looked at Home Depot carpet and Empire carpet, and as you know, carpet is not cheap. But one of the ways you can save big money is by removing the carpet yourself. When we bought the house, the carpets were cleaned, and if you look at the red arrow, you could see what the carpet looked like when it was cleaned. But as we walked on the carpet, you can see the stains on the carpet were coming up. We used different products to remove the stains, and it would look nice and the carpet would look new, but after about a week or so, the stains would come up again and again. So we decided to remove the carpet and have it replaced. We found out, besides the carpet cost and installation cost, the removal cost was something we just couldn't sweep under the carpet. Sorry, I can't believe I said that. So we decided to save some money and remove the carpet ourselves. So this is a video to show you how easy it is to remove your carpet from your stairs. Okay, you can see everything here on the bottom has been removed. If you look up a little bit, we still have to take off the carpet padding. And above, you can see we still have carpet we need to remove. So to remove the carpet, you're going to need a utility knife or this carpet knife, I believe it's called. It's got a curve to it, but you don't have to buy that tool. If you got a utility knife, the utility knife works just as good. I like this knife because you could just stick it in and pull and it'll cut. What I'm doing here is cutting a hole to put my hand in to pull and remove the carpet. Be careful if you put your hand in there that you don't touch the carpet tack. They're very sharp nails. You can see here I'm pulling on the carpet. I'm really not pulling that hard. It feels like you're pulling a heavy-duty Velcro. So it's not that impossible to pull, so don't think this is hard work. As you're pulling it off, you'll find that you're pulling off small pieces, or the piece may be 2 or 3 steps. If you want, cut it anywhere you want. I think the reason why the pieces vary in sizes is because of whatever's left over in scraps, so I'll use it for the stairs. As you're pulling the carpet off, put the pieces in a plastic bag, that way it's easy to handle when you throw it away. Obviously, if the carpet's too big, cut it up so it fits in your plastic bag. So you can see it doesn't take any special skills or strength or any special tools except for the laminate / carpet knife that I use that I got from Home Depot. So far so good, everything is coming off really easy. Now for those of you that just want to change your carpet, you can leave the carpet tack on and the carpet padding, and then all you have to do is just buy some carpet that you like and re-staple it down in there. I don't think we're going to put carpet back in. I think I want to do something different. Okay, now that we got the carpet all pulled off, next we're going to pull off the carpet padding. This is real super easy. I probably should have said this in the beginning, but you probably want to wear gloves, and since this carpet is really dirty from the previous owner, you'll probably want to wear a dust mask. As you can see, it's so easy, even my little helper wanted to help out to pull out the carpet padding. One other thing, if you are going to replace your carpet and put new carpet in, you probably want to evaluate your carpet padding. If it looks pretty bad and beat up or smelly or whatever, you'll definitely want to replace it. Okay, now we have all the carpet padding pulled off. Next, we're going to remove the staples. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver and a pair of pliers. It's tedious work, but it's very easy to do. All you're doing is just pulling off staples off your floor, that's all. If the staple breaks, make sure you completely take out the staple. You don't want to step on a broken staple. When you're done pulling the staples off on one step, rub your hand across very carefully to see if there was any staples left that you couldn't see with your eye. Okay, now that you got all the staples pulled out, we're going to remove the carpet tack. You're going to need a hammer and a 3/4 to a 1-inch wide chisel. And what you're going to look for is the nail that holds the carpet tack down. You can see I'm pointing to 2 of the nails right here. What you're going to do is you're going to place the chisel right next to the nail as close as possible, but not on directly the nail. If you notice, the chisel has 2 sides. One has an angle on it and one has a flat side. You want the flat side touching the carpet tack, and you want the angle on the floor or the surface on the bottom. This helps from you gouging into the floor. What you're going to do is you're going to take the hammer and you're going to hit the chisel so it pushes up the carpet tack as shown. No, I'm not trying to put a little English on my hammer stroke here. I'm just trying to get out of the way of the camera view so that way you guys can see how I'm removing this carpet tack. So you can see it's pretty easy to remove. Okay, now that you got it off, be very careful how you handle this. The nails on here are very sharp. Now we're going to apply the same principle on the kick plate, as you can see here. Once you've completed one step, you'll want to vacuum. You can see how bad and dirty this carpet was. It's got all this dirt here on the bottom. Once you have it all vacuumed, then you can move on to the next step and do the same procedure. Okay, I did want to mention one thing. If you don't like using a chisel, you may want to check out this tool. It's called a Wonder Bar. Some people call it a pry bar. They come in different sizes and the prices range anywhere from $3 to $15 depending on the size you get. This is just another way of removing the carpet tack. You may find this a little easier, or you may just like the chisel itself, or you may just use what you have. It's up to you. You can see it's a little easier, a little faster in removing these carpet tacks. Well, I was hoping to putty and paint this, but looks like that's not going to happen. Well, as you can see, the condition of the wood looks pretty bad. It's twisted, there's knots, there's chips, there's knots in the wrong places right at the edge of the tread. The lumber looks like it still had moisture in it when they installed it because it's kind of twisted as it dried. I'm definitely going to have to pull off the tread and the kick plates. The gaps are too big on the corners. You can't putty them because eventually the putty will fall off. Well, we finally got all the carpet off, and frankly, I'm glad we got it all off. I'd rather look at this than dirty carpet. At least it looks like it's work in process. Not too sure of what we're going to do yet, but I know one thing. We're going to take off the treads and the kick plate and start from scratch. Not too sure if we're going to paint or stain, but either or, we got to start with a good foundation. So that'll be another video, so please stay tuned to my next video. There'll probably be 3 or 4 of them on this subject. We'll take it piece by piece. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and of course hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.